Hello YouTube and welcome to Copywriting from 0 in 30 days, a new course for beginners. This course contains 30 lessons and will help you understand the niche, learn more about it, obtain basic skills and decide whether it is worth further study. Looking ahead, copywriting is a fairly lucrative field of study. Moreover, it is very useful in everyday life, since most of us have to talk to people every day, convince them of something, and build effective communication at home, at work, among friends and acquaintances. This is the first introductory lesson. Today, we will focus on three main topics: what is copywriting, what is a copywriter, and what does a copywriter do, in simple words and in modern realities. My name is Dan, I'm your teacher, and let's begin. What is copywriting? Let's start with a brief definition. Copywriting is a task solving with text and strategy, and it's more engineering than the art. Generally, the tasks are commercial. Their main goal is making money. Most of the time, it's about sales of goods, services, or ideas. And the purpose of the text is to convince readers to take some action. For example, make an order or a call, sign up, or subscribe. The feature of copywriting is that every text here has a clear and, in most cases, measurable goal. For instance, we can count new sign-ups brought by the copy. Moreover, we can compare them with previous version of the text and make a conclusion about its effectiveness. There are many types of text that are used to solve commercial tasks: business proposals, landing pages, presentations, articles, home pages, social media posts, scenarios, white papers, sales scripts, and many others. Most of them we will consider in the future lessons of this course, so subscribe to the channel to get new episodes. What is a copywriter? A copywriter is a specialist who solves tasks with the text. In modern realities, copywriter is a type of a marketer. Moreover, copywriter often cooperates and interacts with other different types of marketers. For example, working on a text for a website. Copywriter often interacts with a PPC specialist. This is a type of a marketer who plans and optimizes online ad campaign in pay-per-click systems, such as Google Ads. Here are some more examples. Copywriter interacts with sales specialist when the task is related to a copy with search engine optimization. Copywriter combines the force with social media specialist to make and launch a catchy post for Facebook or Instagram. In addition, copywriter can also work together with web analytics, designers, marketers, etc. Actually, everything depends on the tasks. The copywriter is a demanded and well-paid profession. First of all, because a copywriter can directly affect the income of almost any business. One more important thing: a copywriter's work is not about text and not about information only. This work is foremost about people and their needs. A good copywriter always offers readers what they need through the text. And the product, service or idea we sell is just a way to give the people what they want. Certainly, psychology rules here, but we will talk about it in later lessons. Copywriter specializations. Depending on text and tasks, copywriter sometimes chooses a specialization. In other words, a personal niche to master. There are 6 main directions modern copywriters usually delve into. Let's take a closer look at them. 1. Copywriting for websites and landing pages. Copywriters who choose this specialization create not just texts, but also wireframes or mockups. These are layouts of the future page, which serve as a technical task for designer. You can see an example here. Besides the text, mockup also contains other visual components: images, tabs, buttons, labels, etc. Despite the commercial logic is the same as in plain text, creation of mockups requires additional tools, skills, and knowledge. 2. Text for business proposals. Business proposals predominantly come in two forms: sales presentations and PDF documents with commercial text. All of them are usually part of an active sales system. For example, when a company is looking for clients on its own, makes calls, and/or sends a commercial offer. 3. Content marketing. Copywriters who like to create complex strategies and write articles, white papers, or long letters often specialize in content marketing and SEO copywriting. Although it's not a classic commercial copy we know, but articles optimized for search engines like Google can attract additional readers. These readers can then be transferred to a commercial page. So it turns out that the article is a part of a sales system as well. Web writing is a sub-niche in content marketing. Unlike the latter, web writing doesn't involve the development of complex strategies and content plans. Web writers usually write text and articles for websites according to technical tasks from the marketers, most often with an emphasis on search engine optimization. 4. Social media copywriting. Copywriters that specialize in content creation for social media are called SMM copywriters. They generally develop strategies and text for banners or creatives, posts, stories, ads, profile descriptions, and other types of copy. 5. UX copywriting. User experience or UX copywriting is a part of information technology sphere. Therefore, UX copywriter creates copy for user guides and different types of user interface in web and mobile applications. Buttons, controls, labels, notifications, onboard sequences, chatbots, etc. The main task of a UX copywriter is to translate information from a complex technical language into a simple and understandable human one for users. 6. Copy for ads posting sites. This branch of copywriting is one of the easiest for newbies. There are lots of ads posting sites, both local and global. Therefore, there are many copywriters that specialize on writing copy to advertise on these resources. It is a great way to rise necessary skills. Of course, these 6 branches are not the only ones. There are other, more exotic but rather expensive directions. For instance, sales script writing, speech writing, print media ads creation, e-commerce writing, naming, and many others. How much money a copywriter can make? They say copywriters can earn up to 6-digit salary per year. However, there is an important thing. The payment is generally proportional to the responsibility the copywriter takes on. If the whole campaign with huge budget depends on the copy, the responsibility is high. Therefore, the reward is high as well. Copywriters' income also depends on task, location, and many other factors. The same text can cost $100 and $1,000 in different countries and within different tasks. Lastly, there is a special rule. As long as copywriter's work brings more money than client spends on it, such work will always be in demand. That's it for today. Take care of yourself, subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.